This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging. Safety first. Position the Mac on a soft, flat surface so keys won't scatter. Use a plastic pick or your fingernail at a top row corner and pry up slowly. You'll feel 2 clips release. Once the cap detaches, lift straight up to avoid bending the scissor mechanism. Make sure to note orientation and keep clips and rubber domes together. This prevents confusion when reinstalling later. After removing the keycap, you'll see a scissor or butterfly assembly. Carefully depress the tiny clips and lift the mechanism away. Once free, blow out dust with short bursts of compressed air and swab edges with 70–90% isopropyl to dissolve oils. Avoid soaking parts, use minimal liquid, and let everything dry fully. If clips are damaged or the rubber dome is deformed, replace those components now so the key returns with correct travel and tactile response. To reinstall, set the rubber dome precisely on the switch, align the scissor assembly over its posts, and press the edges until the clips click. Finally, press the keycap down until it snaps flat. Once done, test the key for smooth travel and consistent actuation. If the key sticks or doesn't register, reseat components or swap in a known good part. If problems persist, consider replacing the top case or seeking professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.